Good morning, boys and girls. Let's get started with our math lesson. So please take out your math meeting sheet, your October calendar, and your October weather graph. And let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. Today is October 28th, 2020. How many more days until November? Let's go ahead and count. The 28th. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more days until November. And the pattern for today, for you. Circle. So this should be this way. Okay, boys and girls, figure out the pattern. Great. So the pattern is half shaded up, half shaded down, no shaded, not shaded, it's a whole circle. Half shaded up, half shaded down, whole circle. Half shaded up, half shaded down, and full circle. Yes? Okay. Money. How much is 1 penny plus 1 dime? Tell me. Okay, if you need more time, put pause. That's 1 cent and 10 cents. So 1 plus 10 equals 11 cents. The time is around 7 o'clock in the morning, a.m. ad meridium. And we will eat lunch today at noon. Okay, put pause if you need more time to write this down. The number sentences for today's number are for the number 7. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 7 plus 8 equals, right, 15. Okay, let's go around and make our clock. 12, 6, 3, 9, and let's fill it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's fill out the outside. 0, 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55, 60. I said it was 7 o'clock. So my big hand, my minute hand is pointing to the zeros. And my little hand is pointing to the hour. Okay. Need more time for pause. Let's get going. Take out your weather chart. Today it's a cool day. It wasn't too cold, or maybe for you it was cold, but we can go ahead and put cold. It has been a pretty cold day. Put that away. And let's begin with our lesson. Okay, so today we will learn how to add 10 to multiple 10. So this is what that means. If we have this is what it means. Let me share my screen with you. If we have a 10, right? Or if we point to the 20 on the 100 numbers chart, okay? Now point to the number that's 10 more from 20. You're right, it's 30. Now point to the number that's 10 more than 30. You're right, it's 40. Now point to the number that is 10 more than 40. That's 50. And point to the number that is 10 more than 70. That's 80. So can we write 20 and 10 more like this? So let's stop sharing. Thank you. So is that 20 plus 10 more was 30, right? It would just go down. So we can write it like this. We can write it like this. 20 plus 10 equals 30, right? Or we can also write it like this. 20 plus 10 equals 30, right? Yeah. Okay. Now, okay. So what if we did 50 plus 10? It would be 60. You don't even need to count, right? Whenever you add 10, it just goes up by 1. In the tens place. Do you see that? The zeros are the same, but 5 plus 1 equals 6. Because 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. What about 90 plus 10? 100. Good job. Let's try another one. What if we did 80 plus 10? 70, 80, 90, right? 10 more would be 90. Good, you guys are getting it. What if I did this? 10 plus 20. It's still the same thing, right? 10 plus 20 equals 30. What if I did this? 10 plus 60. Zero plus 0 equals 0, and 1 plus 6 equals 7. Good. So you, I think in your homework, are going to have something like this. And you're going to try to find the missing numbers. They're going to give you one. They're going to give you the middle one. And you're going to have to find it. So what comes after 36? 36 plus 1 is 37. And 36 minus 1 is 35. Good job. So, okay, so now that we did that, now we know how to count by 10, right? Now we know how to count by 10. So, hold on, let's look at our 100 numbers chart. So maybe it'll be a little bit easier. Okay, 36 plus 10, which is just going down, is 46, right? And 46 plus 10 is 56. Do you see that? Okay, now 36 minus 10, you just go back up, is 26. Do you see that? So when you go up, you take away 10, and when you go down, you add 10. So let's see if we could do that same thing here. So 36 plus 10 is 46. Good job. 36 minus 10, 26. 35 plus 10, 45. 35 minus 10, 25. 37 plus 10, 47. And 37 minus 10, 27. Okay, so that'll be your homework for today, the worksheet. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you have a lovely day. Todos, Maria.